So hello and welcome to today's class. In today's class we are seeing the mechanism of acid catalyzed hydration of alkene, right. So the general reaction is general reaction. So what is the general reaction? Alkene plus H2O in the presence of acid gives alcohol, right. So we'll see the mechanism part of this. Okay, so the mechanism is, now here the first step is protonation of alkene, right. So see what happens, since you are doing the reaction in the presence of acid. Suppose the acid which we are taking is H2SO4. So this H2SO4 splits as H plus and HSO4 minus, right. Now this H plus will coordinate with water. So HOH plus H plus. So what you will get? You will get HOH, here H, here lone pair, and over this oxygen you get a positive charge. So this is oxonium or hydronium ion, right. It is oxonium since oxygen is getting a positive charge, right. Now this oxonium ion or electrophile will attack the alkene. Okay, so you have alkene, C double bond C H plus H O H H positive, right. Now see what happens. This bond breaks in this direction, right. So what you get? You get H plus ion and H2O is separated out, right. This bond, suppose it breaks in this direction, right. So when this bond breaks in this direction, what you get? You get this type of structure. See, you get this way, C C, and here negative and here positive, right. Then this negative will pull this H plus, right. So this will pull this H plus, and your first intermediate will be C. Here you are getting a positive charge, CH H. So this is what? This is carbocation, right. So in this step you got a carbocation, right. Now step 2. So step 2 is nucleophilic attack of water molecule on carbocation, right. So this was the carbocation we got in step 1. I will write H this side, okay. This is the carbocation we got in step 1. It will combine with the water molecule. right? So see what happens. This electron pair attacks this positive center, right? And we get in this way. H, C, O, H, H, and here we get a positive charge, right? Now third step will be, so third step is deprotonation of this to form an alcohol, right? So see how it happens. I have C, H, C, O, H, H, here positive, okay. This will combine with a water molecule, right? So what happens, this bond breaks in this direction, since oxygen is having a positive charge, so its electronegativity is very high. So what it will do, it will pull the electron of this hydrogen will come out as H plus. This hydrogen or this H plus will be taken by this, and you get C, H, C, here OH, right, plus H3O plus, right. So I hope you have understood all these steps of this mechanism. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section and I will clarify all your doubts. Thank you very much. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon to get the latest updates on upcoming videos.